is set to continue its yearly tradition by releasing its Pixel flagship phones in the second half of the year. Interestingly, the Pixel 9 Pro leak has surfaced 2 months earlier than the 8 Pros last year. According to 5K renders of the Google Pixel 9 Pro that got leaked by my Smart Price website and on leaks on Twitter, which reveals the look and the size of the upcoming flagship. The Google Pixel 9 Pro is expected to have a roughly 6.5-inch flat display, which is a bit smaller than its predecessor, the Pixel 8 Pro at 6.7 inch. Despite the dimensions being almost the same as last year, the phone will have a punch hole cut out in the center for the selfie camera, which is a design introduced by Samsung in 2019 with the Galaxy S10 series, and they call it Infinity O Display. The renders also confirm that the Pixel 9 Pro will have thin bezels on all 4 sides of the display. OnLeaks has confirmed that Google's new flagship phone will have a flat frame. The power button and volume controls will be located on the right side of the phone, as shown in the renders, and it seems that Google has decided to relocate the SIM card tray to the bottom edge of the phone, alongside the USB-C port and speaker grill. So the left side smoothness will be interrupted only by the antenna markings. The renders suggest that Google is planning to introduce the Pixel 9 Pro with a brand new design for the back cameras. So the phone will feature triple rear cameras that will include a telephoto sensor in addition to the standard wide camera, and it will be equipped with a periscope telephoto sensor. Next to the camera system, there are 2 circular cutouts. One is a flash and the other one appears to be a temperature sensor that Google has kept from last year. And if you want to know what Samsung is holding on to for their mid-range king, the Galaxy A55, you can watch this video next. And please take just a second to support me by subscribing to my channel and liking this video and perhaps sharing it with interested friends. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.